More ventilators are coming. Minister of Health Terrence Deyalsingh says some are expected to arrive this weekend. He gave the assurance at the Ministry of Health's COVID-19 media conference today.
According to Health Minister Terrence Deyalsingh, the country has about 160 ventilators available for use. However, he says with the number of active cases currently standing at 78, that number is more than adequate, as not every COVID-19 patient would need to use a ventilator.
For every 100 people who get COVID, 80% or 80 people will have mild to moderate disease that can either be treated at home or at a very basic healthcare facility.
He said, as promised, some came in last week, and more ventilators will be arriving in the coming weeks. A mechanical ventilator is a machine that's used to support patients with severe respiratory conditions that impact the lungs, including pneumonia. Ian Wason, TTT News.
Well, thank you very much, Ian. Now, while U.S. President Donald Trump is reportedly discouraging countries to accept assistance from Cuba, Trinidad and Tobago will continue to enjoy a good relationship with the Caribbean country. Minister of Health Terrence Deyalsingh says some intensive care nurses from Cuba are being processed to begin work here, just in time to help with the COVID-19 response.
It has always been this government's policy to seek Cuban professionals where there's a lack of that particular specialty in Trinidad and Tobago. As per COVID, we do have a cohort of intensive care nurses coming in. We signed off on that about 3 weeks ago. Interviews were done online to judge their suitability, their language skills, and so on. So the answer is yes.